can see strtok tokenizes string. We'll get more into what that means as we go on. First, we're going to want to print things out, so let's hash include stdio.h. Next, strtok is in the string.h library, so we will hash include string.h. Okay, now let's give ourselves a string that we want to tokenize. Because of the behavior of strtok, the string we tokenize must be modifiable, so we're going to define a character A, not a char pointer. Check out the video I'll link to in the end screen if you don't know the difference between the two. So, char str array equals the string literal 123-867-5309. Okay, now to expand on tokenization. In the context of strtok, this involves breaking a string into pieces based on a separator. So now we must define a separator. The separator need not be modifiable, so we will make it a character pointer. So, char star sep equals the string literal dash. Now we'll start to get pieces. So, char star p1 equals strtok of stir and sep. Let's print p1 and see what it holds. So, printf, double quotes, %s \n, then printf p1. If we run this code, we'll see it prints out the first part of stir for the first dash. Curiously, if you print stir here, it will also just print the first part of the string. Don't worry, strtok hasn't lopped off the rest of the string. It has replaced the dash in the string with a null terminator. We can see as much if we printf stir sub 3. Let's loop through all of stir at this point to see as much. If we run the code, you'll see everything I just said at play. Okay, obviously there are more pieces left in stir. How do we get to them? For now, let's make another variable. Char star p2 equals strtok of null and sep. Since strtok actively modifies the original string, it also maintains a pointer so it knows where to get the next token from when you call strtok again. On every call after the first to strtok, switch out the string you want to break into pieces for null in the call to strtok. Let's get p3 the same way. Then print all the portions. If we run this code, you'll see it prints out all 3 portions, like you would expect. We know there's no more portions, but what would happen if we called strtok again? Let's do char star p4 equals strtok of null and sep. If we were to print it out, you would see as an integer that it's 0, meaning when there are no more parts for strtok to tokenize, strtok returns null. Another thing, if I were to double the dashes between the numbers, strtok will simply consume both dashes at once and break up the string just like it did with the example we walked through prior. One final note, the delimiter argument doesn't just have to be a single argument. You could change sep to be a string containing a dash and a space. Then strtok would look for either delimiter, so if we did change sep to be a dash or a space, and added on a space high to the end of stir, p4 would now be the string high. And we'll see as much when we run the code. This has been Tokenization. Like and subscribe to learn more.